अब मैं आपको MITS परिवार के उस सदस्य से मिलवाना चाहूँगा जिनमें एक चुंबकीय शक्ति है, मैग्नेटिक पावर। वो एक कैरिस्मेटिक पर्सनालिटी है, एक ओजस्वी वक्ता हैं। हमारे संस्थान के बोर्ड ऑफ गवर्नर के सदस्य हैं। वे उस क्लास को बिलोंग करते हैं जो कि लगभग सभी का एक सपना होता है, भारतीय प्रशासनिक सेवा IAS। कभी किसी बच्चे से जब हम पूछते हैं कि बेटे बड़े होके क्या बनोगे, वो कहता है कलेक्टर। किसी पिता से पूछते हैं अपने बच्चे को बड़े होके क्या बनाना चाहते हैं, कलेक्टर। कोई पद के लिए, कोई प्रतिष्ठा के लिए, कोई पावर के लिए, लेकिन कम लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो समाज को अपना कीमती समय देते हैं। समाज के प्रति उनका समर्पण किसी न किसी रूप में हमेशा बना रहता है। हमारे साथ ऐसे ही महान व्यक्तित्व बोर्ड ऑफ गवर्नर के सदस्य के रूप में उपस्थित हैं। पूर्व डायरेक्टर जनरल एकेडमी ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन माननीय श्री प्रशांत मेहता जी। आइए सुनते हैं कि वो आपको क्या संदेश देना चाहते हैं। माननीय प्रशांत मेहता सर।
Hello boys and girls. It gives me great pleasure to welcome all of you on behalf of the Board of Governors of MITS to this great institute. As you know, our chairman is Srimant Jyotiraditya Scindia ji, and this institution has been founded by his grandfather, the late Jivaji Rao Scindia, and we celebrated our Diamond Jubilee just 3-4 years back. Next year, if you are lucky, we might be celebrating 65 years of the institute. You are coming in to this institution at very strange times, not only in the country but all over the world, especially in the field of education, because of online teaching, online learning, and in fact all of you must have passed your class 12th online. But there is a silver lining very shortly. I think in November itself, if things go all right, if the corona situation is under control, maybe we open up and we start having offline classes so that you can enjoy the feeling of being in a campus. You can enjoy making friends, meeting new people, and meeting the staff, faculty, the director, and the whole family that is MITS, which makes it one of the premier institutions of the country. I know every year I speak to the new batch, and some of them are quite unhappy that they were trying for IIT or they were trying for some other institution and they have as a last resort got admission here. Those who know this institute give specifically a choice for this institute and they come here. But if you are feeling sad that you did not get in some institute of your choice and you have got it in MITS, then don't be sad. It is a wonderful institute. And in the Diamond Jubilee, all the alumni from 60 years back had come down here, some of them aged 80, 85, and the great pride that they had in the institute while being here in the 60s was a treat to see. The camaraderie among the students at that time, the love for the institute, the memories that they carried. So this is what all makes an institute worth it. And I'm sure when you step into the corridors of this institute, you are stepping into a great future. There is an excellent placement in this institute by top companies, and by the time you come here, you will realize that it is far better than whatever else you had in mind, because the students, the past students, the ex-students run the economy of this country. There are large number of students who are now DRMs, and they run the entire railway system of the country. There are large number of students who run the entire power sector of the country, and in various other fields. But you have much more challenges in front of you. There are new fields opening up. As you see, we have now gone in for many new courses, including artificial intelligence, computer learning, and a host of new fields which were not thought of before. And we are very happy that all the new fields you have shown interest and have taken admission in these new developing fields. Our chairman, Mr. Scindia, was here a few days before, and he said that I want a complete sea change from the go-karts and the motorbikes to drones flying around and robots roaming all over the institute. So this is the brief that I give you on behalf of the Board of Governors. Take it one step forward, technology-wise, take the institute one step forward. Develop artificial intelligence, develop drones, develop robots, and take up the new fields and new challenges that are coming in this world. As a lot of wise men say, that you just cannot predict what the world will be 3 years from now. It will be very different. And in the last 2 years, we've realized how different life has become. Completely changed our life because of Corona. Everything had to be done online. Everybody was at home. Offices have shut down. Commuting has completely stopped. Hostels have shut down. So many things, and life will never come back to the same thing. So I am sure some sort of online teaching, whatever teaching goes on in future, partly it will be online and partly will be offline. So let me once again welcome you heartily to this excellent institute. You will love being here. You will feel like a family member. The staff, the director, all the people associated here, all persons here will treat you as a family, and you will not feel as if you are going reluctantly to an institute. You'll love to come here. You'll love to come here every day. The number of clubs that we have, the number of activities that we have, anything apart from your curriculum, any interest that you have in sports, in culture, in dance, in music, you can develop, and you must develop a personality which MITS will be very proud of in the future. A very hearty welcome to MITS, and enjoy yourself, enjoy your stay for the next 4 years here. Thank you very much.